I think they won't let us go in any further because we're not dressed well enough. Hey everybody, I'm at the Padang Bai Port here in Bali in Indonesia. The reason I'm here is to catch a ferry to the next big island over called Lombok. What I'm gonna do there, I'm not even sure because I didn't really plan this out ahead. I'm just gonna go exploring and see what I can find there. I really wanted to see more of Indonesia, so I just picked this island because it's pretty easy to get to, except I'm not really sure which ferry I should be taking because there's a lot of them. It's supposed to be a speedboat, but it's gonna take like 4 hours to get there, which is a long time to be on a ferry.
I heard you calling on the radio. These old words we used to sing. Had your letter on my windshield with all the lips in the ring. Your name is in the stars. Your blood below my.
So that ferry ride was really not pleasant. It was shorter than I thought it would be, but we hit a rough patch of water and people were starting to puke, and yeah. But I'm on Lombok Island right now. I was really tired when I got here, so I just like checked into my hostel, took a nap, and now it's pretty late. Alright, it's a new day in Lombok. That means a new day to explore. Got my rental bike here, which is obviously the best way to see Southeast Asia when it's not raining. This is pretty cool. The biggest mosque in Lombok, and it's big. Picked up some friends along the way too. I think they won't let us go in any further because we're not dressed well enough. So me and my new friends drove quite a ways to get to this pretty touristy waterfall, and then we find out that foreigners are not allowed in without a guide, and it's like $4 or $5 with a guide, and none of them are willing to pay that. So maybe try to see another one that's not so touristy. See what happens. Hello.
What is your name?
Dave. Aik. Waterfall. This way. Awesome.
Come on, go.
Okay, we're going.
Go.
Okay, these kids seem to know where this waterfall is, so they're saying go along this path. So we found it. Not much to look at, but hey, it's free. And the experience was awesome. So this building is a villa that someone started to build on a cliff overlooking the ocean and the beach, but they stopped construction. Now it's a great viewpoint for the sunset, which I don't think we will be able to get tonight. It's raining too much. And even climb to the roof on this very sketchy bamboo staircase. It's sturdier than it looks. Yeah, really cool. Check this out. It says, "Love is evil, bebek." Now, bebek means duck, so apparently there's a duck out there that really does not like love. They call this the ghost villa. I don't know, maybe because Pink Mike